Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Gaggia titanium espresso machine. Let's go ahead and pull a shot. This is an oldie but a goodie as far as super automatic machines are concerned. Definitely durable. But they are getting harder and harder to fix as they get older. And harder to get parts too. Nice shot of espresso. Now we'll test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for playing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below if you'd like to see more videos like this. Subscribe to our channel, and to get notifications, hit the bell. Thank you.